What we're going to do is go through, you're going to round the edges of the wood. So it's theoretically round on the edge. I'm not doing a very good job on this because I don't care. Round the edges of the wood, and then you're going to come down through, back up the center, down through, back up the center, and down through. And then you're going to do that again. And so basically, in the first thing, all the things go through the wood one way, and then you turn it over and everything goes through the wood that way. This is the end product. You want to do a figure eight, 2 figure eights. So the center one is a hard one. The end ones are easy. So I take and I mark my 4 holes I want to do. Okay, so now I'm going to make my 4 holes, which you don't. Oh boy, split it. Make my 4 holes.
That's a good idea.
And how close to the edge?
Yeah, is it important how close to the edge you are, Bill?
No, I don't think so.
Split. Just because you had a needle thing.
Yes. I tend to put it, if you're going to have a control horn, I'll put one near the control horn. I'll put them every so often. So I'm going to go down through a random
You
hole.
say the ones at the ends are harder, but if you do the middle one first.
No. Oh, yeah. You could do the middle one first.
Or even second.
Or the middle one. See, here, I can just come up through the end. And then I go down again.
So you do one diagonal, huh?
I'm doing one diagonal. I go down through the center, down through the side, up through the center, and down through the side. Now I'm half done.
So you're making an X.
Make an X, so figure eight.
No, but this is one diagonal. One diagonal.
Okay.
Okay, figure
So
eight.
there's one diagonal, and now I turn it over and do the same thing on the other diagonal. So I make a little straight here. So this makes a little straight piece.
Yeah.
So you can see those on there.
Yeah.
You can see a
So
little
because
straight
you're jumping
piece.
over the other diagonal.
And now the same thing, I cut up through the center, down through that hole, up through the center, down through that hole. Now I'm done. Now I have to glue it.
We have to pull it tight.
And so you put it here, and you can see it's horrible. But if you pull it tight,
You might boost the self.
sometimes you can wiggle this a little bit. You want to make sure it's flat. It's not, one side's not up on top of the other. You want it aligned this way, aligned the other way.
Actually a harder pattern than the modern pattern. You have to do 5
CE or Duco?
Either, Duco would be better, but I'm going to use
Why would Duco be better?
Because
CA.
it's my favorite, new favorite.
Besides that? 40s.
But don't stick your finger to the
Modern pattern, you
elevator.
only have to do 3 loops.
Yeah, you'll never have to run along with the plane because you're stuck to it.
Yeah, you can actually run and let go.
Yeah.
Here I've glued these 2 threads down. And now I can glue the other side.
And you're gonna flip it over and glue both
But
sides,
you
right?
don't
No.
want to use
No,
thin.
just one side?
You don't want to use thin CA.
You want to use thick CA if
Yeah.
you can.
Okay.
Because it'll run into the hinge and.
And now I take and I
So that's why Duco's better.
That's
cut
you
these
won't
2
run.
threads.
Yeah, if you get the thread wet in the
That
hinge
goes
area,
right
it'll
away.
work.
Go right off.
Beautiful.
And free up the glue a little bit because I use thin instead of thick.
Okay.
And there's the hinge.
All right. Very nice.
So now I could do the other side just for review.
These pieces.
It's well.
Oh, it is. No, I thought you brought it over.
Did you glue this?
That's a finished flying surface.
Let's see if I can make
I'm sorry, what'd you glue?
4 holes without cracking
Very
them.
limp.
Oh, you got that one?
Very free.
Good for you.
Lighter.
What you have to do is these in sequence. If you do the ends first and then the center one, you can't come up like that to get the other diagonal.
Like that.
What you have to do for if you do the center one last,
So let's glue this one.
is
Push
you,
the-
you have to,
Push the
How do
needle
you-
through.
how
you
do
have to come up through here.
Yeah,
How do you
Top
know
first,
this,
'cause
Bill?
then I'll get this piece
Well, yeah,
of wood
I-
out of the
I-
way. Good, that's
He
good.
stays up.
And I run
He
my
read
finger
it
over
somewhere.
there.
He tried it.
So you go in that.
No, this was Martin's suggestion, I think, for the X, because I used to do them straight.
Harmful chemicals.
And now we've
No,
got
some
that,
people have a slight.
First
this
figure
is
eight.
a cold foam
so now we
shape,
have to turn it
And you can
over
use it on styrofoam,
and
and it's not.
go down.
It's worth noting, by
Some
the
of the
way,
guys
the
in
two
here,
legs
they
of the
get
X
allergies.
don't have to be in the same place.
You know, I'll put some down along here.
Oh, you like
And-
Oh, you could do one figure eight in one place and one
Just a
figure eight
little
in the other
bit.
place?
That's fine.
Yeah, that was
Pretty cool. In fact, there's a
Run
completely
it
different
down
way of
the
doing
seam.
this that I've used, and that is you
Now,
stick
it should go
two
all the way
pieces,
through.
separate pieces
Yeah,
of
this stuff
thread
runs like water.
on one surface and on the
So
other
it
one,
should
and
be
then
done.
thread them both down and stick them on the other
And
side.
then
So-
take and
Rich
do
is
this, let
recommending
me
I
show you.
make hinges out of
You
this.
put it on, one seam,
Yes.
and just run it down like that.
And it's done.
Very nice.
I push it in, I hold it flat for a minute,
So fluffy?
minute, maybe 2
That's why you want
seconds,
some floppy disks.
and it's done.
Enough skill to.
Make sure, see now these surface one's above
Martin,
the other.
Hold on, I'll come help you.
This will
Just
make
hold on.
sure it's good.
Have to line them up, make sure they're
Run it
straight.
back and forth.
And let's use some thick foam safe this time.
Yeah, maybe this is too much to.
Well,
It's
I'm gonna
stiff.
take off.
Okay, sir.